This video tutorial I will explain what is internet and how internet works. The internet is a large network that connects computers, phones and other devices all over the world. It allows people to send messages, watch videos, read news, search for information, use apps and websites. You can think of internet like a digital highway system. Your device is like a car driving on those roads to visit different places like websites, apps or games. Now we will see how does the internet work. Step 1 is your device connects to the internet. Your computer, phone or tablet connects to the internet using Wi-Fi, mobile data or broadband cable. This connection provided by Internet Service Provider or ISP like Jio, Airtel, ACT or BSNL. Step 2 is you ask for information. When you open the website like www.google.com, your device sends request to find the website. But the websites are not stored on your phone. They live on the special computers called servers. Step 3 is finding the right server. Each website has a special address called IP address, like a phone number. When you type a website name, your device asks a DNS server to find the correct IP address. Then your device know where to go. Step 4 is getting the website data. Your device sends request to the correct server. The server sends back the data in small parts called packets. The data can be text, images, or videos. These packets travel through cables, routers, satellites, and signals to reach your device. Step 5 is showing the website. Your web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, put all the packets together and show the full website on your screen. This all happens in just few seconds. Here you can see the sequence diagram of how internet works. Here you can see 4 participants: your device, internet service provider, DNS server and website server. Your device connects to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then your device asks for a website address to the DNS server. Website address example is www.google.com. DNS server returns the IP address of the website. Then your device sends request to open the website to website server. The website server sends website data in packets. Then a browser in your device shows the website content. Now we will see the summary. First point is global connection. The internet connects millions of devices around the world. Second point is request process. Your device sends a request and finds the correct server. Third point is data transfer. Your device receives data packets from the servers. Fourth point is display. Your browser displays the content on your screen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.